Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time to chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing like.
Oh, you guys, look who it is. Your favoriteest guy. Say hi to all your friends back home that watch. Say hi.
Hi.
Roy, as per usual, comes bearing gifts. What do we have today? Aye! Talk to me nice. Yes, red stripe. You know which one I like though? The
Magnum.
No, the sorrow one.
Okay.
The sorrow one. So where's yours?
It's for that.
Huh?
It's for that.
But where's yours?
I know I'm not drinking.
Oh, you're done. Every time I see you, you tell me say you're not drinking and you're still drunk.
I'm not drinking today.
Today? You're saving it for Saturday?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Roy. Thank you so kindly. Is this my wedding gift?
Yes.
This is my wedding gift. Okay, yes. Yes.
Oh, you think I'm getting married?
I'm marrying too. I'm getting married too. Yeah. Yes. If Delhi's getting married, I must be getting married as well.
So why you never told me that I better make 2 suits?
You don't need 2 suits. Same venue, same time, same place. Everything is happening same time, same place.
You think you're easy?
How? 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 Me I'm married too. Yeah.
So I don't know the other. I don't know also. You just write into yourself. Oh, that's a fine. When I find this video.
Exactly.
Smash it. You want to call me too, but you can't do it.
This one?
Or where they come? Yeah, where they come from?
They will clean out the house up there and polish you and all that.
Oh, yeah, so you're carrying
Yeah, and rake up the yard and light up some fire.
Ray, come here early this morning. Come wake up people out of their sleep.
Yeah, man, that's so early for you. Man.
No, on vacation?
We know we're on vacation.
Oh, don't mock me. Don't mock me. What?
Just wait them come out and they run from here on vacation straight to over gas.
You know, so I don't like you. I don't like you. I had talk about you go murder my dog. Do not touch my dog.
I got murder him. I can keep him up here time. When you see him again, you can't see one time up here. I don't want him down my yard. You let me can't eat my food.
Me know him stink bad.
Sickness coming.
I'm gonna miss him. Curious is so, oh my gosh.
But you have to get to that. So I didn't know say dog when sick, then if you get to sit and tie dog and let your dog. They don't cure dog down and then we talk about dog. Dog sick. I didn't know say not and want to go tie dog. And spray dog. I have a lot of work to do, so I'll see you later.
Alright, have a good day.
Have a nice rest. Go back to bed.
Oh, thank you. Yes, I'm going back there right now because the eye is tired and I'm on vacation. If I was not on vacation right now, I would be at work.
But every time you come here, it's on vacation.
So then why, what I buy plane ticket for to come here to do?
To work, daddy work.
Oh, and me not get pay?
You must not get any pay. Daddy pay you already.
In what way?
Eh? To make you.
I know me ask for make.
To make you.
I know me ask for make.
To school you.
Me never ask for go school.
Feed you.
Me never ask for get feeding.
Well, in plenty way. When you come, you must just work.
No thanks.
Until you're ready to take back the pay.
I paid my dues, I think. That is for Tajila and Kadian now and now Kamari. Them for come here, daddy. I did my part. Yeah?
Yeah, then.
Alright, later. Have a good one. Guys. guys. So, trials and tribulations, yes. God. When could I 1 year that they are close. But
Because what, but you know, but use that tent, so you don't want the tent anymore. So give me back that money and give it to the rest. And that even that you can't do to your customer. But at the same time, now you don't contract.
They said, oh, you have this problem and I
You can just finance.
besides, they want, I want to China with the beginning by which could have been like that. You understand? So when they say they heard this, they will be,
Oh, you pay them, then you will say you have to pay for overnight delivery and you pay. So, everything when you ask for them here.
so the rental company, yeah. I don't know why I feel like when I can't see me. But the rental company pretty much no one deliver the stuff them. I guess they have like a bigger event where they are unable to deliver the stuff. So the plan was that they were supposed to come deliver the stuff Friday. And they claimed that they were unable to deliver the stuff Friday. They were trying to deliver the stuff Thursday. Thursday we have meeting. We can't deliver the stuff Thursday, right? Plus we don't know if the venue had an event or anything like that or needed the space or whatever. So they said Friday morning, which was, as I said, would have worked out fine, because that way we would have been able to go decorate the place, get everything that we needed to get, and if we needed additional stuff, we had the rest of Friday to go about our business and go do whatever else it was that we needed to do. So now my dad's fiance was on the phone with them calling to them cannot deliver the stuff till Saturday morning. The wedding is at 2 o'clock. My makeup appointment is at 11. I have to do my hair. Everybody who's supposed to be helping is gonna be getting ready because again the wedding is at 2 o'clock. So how early are they coming to deliver this stuff for everybody to be able to come and help and do whatever it is that needs to be done to set up, and then still go back home and get ready to come back for a wedding at 2 o'clock? I'll wait. So daddy said him done with that bullshit here and he's gonna drive up to Trelawney. I mean, we're already gonna go to Trelawney today anyways, but him saying I'ma go up there for go talk to them, because now they're like how they want to refund the money, which doesn't really help us out because we still need the stuff, and now to go and outsource that stuff ourselves, it's gonna be like 2 days before the wedding. It's gonna be hectic because we don't know if people are gonna have the amount of items that we need, all sorts of friggery. So everybody depend 10 right now, and I feel bad because I gave them the rental company's information because it was what I was going to use from my day. So yeah, I feel kind of bad, but so we go. But yeah, daddy, he's not one to take stress very well, so yeah. But yeah, but so we started a new business. We are now selling water. What you can see your teeth for. Water is a very lucrative business. Everybody needs water in order to survive. So we are selling water. If you would like one of these, this is $2,500. I have to sell. I forget pan top it. If me sell it for 18, then only them I win. 25. Yeah. 2,500 for that 1 year, and $1,000 for that 1 year. And this is good water, like not pipe, like I can't even tell you which part the water come from, because when I go say, you know, the price what me I sell it for is not good enough, but I have to look out for my people them. So water, holla at me. I will let you guys know where to contact, who to go to, and yeah, just tell them Zoe sent you, because it's our business. Gas? What, gas?
Yeah.
I know. I thought that's what you were turning in here for initially. No, because I seen that you came here, so I figured afterwards I'd just be like, Daddy, remember the gas.
But the gas station is behind us. We should have stopped here first.
Oh.
But we'll turn back now to the gas station.
Yeah. It would be a good idea to take me on an adventure in case I need to know this area. What do you guys see? Tell me. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. There's no light. There's no nothing on this road.
At least Marvin know where Allen High is.
Wow.
Which is not a so long school.
Which is not a so long school.
Yeah, you understand my language. I'm talking Jamaica.
What do you guys see? You're talking what?
English patois.
English. You guys, he decided to go on an adventure at the time where we're hungry. One, and we soon did. Sake of how long we not eat. And I have to pee. And if one didn't know the road.
So the restaurants in Montego Bay should be overcrowded tonight.
That's what you think.
Wednesday.
And it's holiday season. Everywhere's crowded.
Friday and Saturday and Sunday. No, but I think I'll come and
Do you know how far Montego Bay is from here? Guys, Montego Bay is usually crazy, but man, holiday. Hey!
But the lane is not crowd in there, book in there. The money crowded.
Yes, sir.
People at door. Big Montego Bay and no candy shop. Yeah, because
7:47 in the evening, you guys, and I'm about to eat. We're at Burger King.
They're describing this as a nightmare. As national
Everybody hungry, everybody stressed out, everybody upset. We waste a whole day because of this foolishness. Okay, so summarize. As I was telling you guys earlier, don't mind the TV's on. But as me did I tell you earlier, say the company we're supposed to get the rental stuff from,
we now go live on location.
were telling us that they can't deliver it Friday when we paid for it to be delivered. They want to deliver it Saturday morning when me not decorate Saturday morning. I have my makeup for the ear for the daddy. I have to get ready. Marvy I have to get red, like, you know, them with it. So we'll go up there today. Girl, this one girl I plan to do a review because this one girl named Chloe, she has no customer service experience whatsoever. She's mad disrespectful. She doesn't know how to talk to people, and yeah, that shit can't slide. But everybody did get them piece of their mind today. And moral of the story is the stuff is being delivered Thursday evening after meeting. So we will still be able to do everything as we had initially planned for Friday.
Welcome back.
Okay.
Three of the
No,
four
Wednesday night
Red
ball
Sox
or
friendly
23?
matches on Wednesday
That doesn't matter.
were called off due to an absence of referees. Simon Preston reports.
TPJ Sports understands that the referees withdrew their services for this round of games due to a combination of factors. It's understood that 4 officials of $2 million and have received only a quarter of that amount on Wednesday. However, manager of the referees department at the Jamaica Football Federation, Victor Stewart,
That's the English
said
I come
nations
from.
are not only
That's how your
about
shirt says.
remuneration.
Oh god. Oh, this one. This one? Oh, never mind.
Walk again.
I'm looking at my back. Oh god. Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Between Cavalier and Dunby Bolton at Stadium East, Rudolph Speed made this comment.
This game, unfortunately to say, do not start by the officials.
He went back to tell them that his fries were cold. He drank off the juice and went back and told them to read it.
Display by the official identifying staff. I don't even
Yeah, that happened to Kushaya one time. She was at McDonald's. So yeah, yeah. So it messed up everyone's day and whatever. I didn't get to see my cousins when I went to Jelani, but I have to go back and see them before I leave because I didn't get to see them the last time I was here, and I don't think I got to see them the time before that either. No, I did. I lied. I did see them that September. Guess who just called my phone, you guys? After 2 long years. Wanna go shop when you see the face.
Because for under 10 football competition,
I can't believe they didn't call my phone, huh?
and the final played at the
No, you pick me?
on Sunday. But the all important goal came from Donald Stewart.
My friend. And Angie, it was Angie's number that called me, you know, and I almost answered because I'm not gonna answer till Marie show. Come for final, me get text after about a Taj where we know there. My business boy, you know who name Taj?
Daniel Thomas of Ligony.
Daddy, when is school given holiday?
Shaw says there could be a change in format come 2019.
We might go league format, playing more matches. So that is.
Oh, so he's already on holiday?
Playing more games over the two.
So when did his school give holiday?
Now, some stakeholders expressed shock when
Oh, really? She teaches high school too?
was sent out the
Okay.
initial list of nominations. Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year awards.
I know high schools normally let out their kids sooner than like elementary or primary. So yeah, holiday time, talk to me nice. Yeah.
The list of nominees for the
These guys are hungry with my food
Foundation
coma.
National Sportsman and
No, I always wondered why they put these cups in this bag, but they're specifically like for the bag. There's like a something here to like separate it off. So cool! I never knew before. But I remember what my seat. I'm a feel intelligent. Yeah. Did you know? Did you know that it was specifically made for the cups? Like they have like a separate
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel